مرحبا مرحبا إلى درسنا اليوم، ونسأل الله تعالى أن يوفقنا ويبارك فينا. نسأل الله تعالى أن يوفقنا ويبارك فينا. واليوم إن شاء الله تعالى سننظر إلى بعض ما سبق من الدروس على شكل مراجعة عامة. Today we are going to start with a general revision of what we have learned so far in the classes. يا أبا بلال كأنك ما حضرت الدرسين الماضيين في السبت والأحد. It seems you did not attend the last class on Saturday and Sunday.
Yes,
Exactly.
their timing is
Okay.
very tough.
متأخر جدا وهو في وقت نومكم. It was time for your own sleep over there.
Yeah, it's still like one day. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, Allahu Akbar.
11:45.
تقبل الله منا. And the class was recorded and uploaded. You can find it on the WhatsApp, on the YouTube,
Facebook.
Then on the Facebook, yes, you can find it. It is uploaded, and it is a general revision of what we have learned so far from the classes. We look at most of what we have learned. So these are what we revised in the class. So barakallahu fikum. You can go back to the video to see revision of what we have learned so far. Barakallahu fikum. And in this class, we are going to start. Or if you have any question regarding what you have learned so far in the past, you know, we started the classes with some of the explanation of the video of Al-Imam Ibn Majah. So the video that we shared. So we started by making revision of the video. There are many words that we have, like la fa'ida, there is no benefit. Amwal and ta'ila. So amwal is the plural of mal. So ta'ila, huge amount of money, kathira. Amwal and kathira is part of what we have learned so far from the previous classes. So, and a lot of things. We also look at the school, the Unas fil Madrasa, people that are found in the school. Can you mention some of these people? The people who are found in the school.
People that are found in the school.
In the school.
Mudaris, Muallim,
هكذا.
Tabib,
هكذا.
Tabib wa Tulab,
طالب.
Zemili, Talib wa Tulab, Zemili, I don't know if we can use that, like colleague. Zemil, yeah.
Yes, colleague.
And Al-Mudir.
Al-Mudir, هكذا.
Proprietor. Who else?
الشيخ عبد القادر أنت موجود؟
نعم موجود.
بارك الله فيك. نعم شاركنا. Now you can participate in the mentioning.
Oh, okay.
Of the people that we have in the madrasa. He has mentioned some of them. Telmiz, هكذا. Another one. Another one.
Mudarisun.
Ustadun. Muallimun. هكذا. Muallim, teacher. Ra'isun. Barakallahu fikum.
Head of department.
Yes, Ra'isul Qism. You know, department means Qismun. So Ra'isul Qism means head of department.
Yeah.
Hakada. So these are some of the words that we have, and these are you have Tilmid. Can you see the screen?
But now.
Yes, Tilmid, Talib, Muallim, Muta'allim. Muta'allim is student, Darisun, student, Muallimun, teacher, Mudarrisun, Ustadun, Zakarun, Unsa. What is Zakar and Unsa?
Male and female.
Male and female. Then what is the plural for Zakar? And what is the plural for Unsa?
Zukar, Zukur, for male.
Zukur. Zukur is for male. The males. Zukur, then the Inas. Inasun. أو يهب لمن يشاء إناثا ويهب لمن يشاء الذكور أو يزوجهم ذكرانا وإناثا ذكران وإناثا بارك الله فيكم. So we have منظف. من هو منظف? Who is the منظف? نعم.
Cleaner.
No. Cleaner is the منظف. Yes, cleaner, the one that cleaned the school. Then we also have places in the school. What are the places that we have in the school?
Places?
Yes, or the stages of school, like classes.
Stages.
Now,
Ibtida.
Ibtidaiyun.
Yeah.
Ibtidaiyatu means
the beginning, the elementary.
Junior secondary school. They call it junior secondary school. Then the next one. No, junior secondary school, yes. Primary school. Primary, yes.
Ibtida is primary. Elementary.
Yes, Ibtidaiyatu, elementary or primary. Then the other one. Rawdatu. What is the meaning of Rawda?
That's nursery or creche.
Yeah.
Creche or nursery. Then another one.
Jamu is college.
Naam?
Jamu is university.
Jami'atun.
Jami'atun. University.
Jami'un is a mosque.
Yeah.
Jami'un is a mosque. A mosque where people pray congregational prayers is called Jami'. Yes. Jami'un means a mosque. So we have Jami'atun, then we have what is college? Sanawiyatun.
Secondary school?
Yes, secondary, senior secondary school.
Kuliyatun college.
Kuliyatun college. Barakallahu fikum. Another one.
Kiso is department.
I'idadiyatun means junior secondary school. Qismun department. Qismun department. Barakallahu fikum. Wa hadihi hiya hadihi al-amakin madrasatun school. Rawdatun nursery or creche. Ibtidaiyatun primary. I'idadiyatun junior secondary. Thanawiyya the secondary. Kuliyatun mean the college. Then Jami'atun university. Qismun department. Faslun class. Qa'atun hall. Then Maktabatun library. Maktabun mean office. Then Ma'malun laboratory. Ma'malun laboratory. So some of the what are those things that can be found in the school? Like some of the stationaries. Kitabun, Qalamun, Qalamun Rasos,
Pencil,
Daftarun,
Dabbasatun, stapler.
It's a daftar.
Daftar, yes. Saburatun, chalkboard. Daftar, notebook.
Yeah, I'm trying to remember Hula.
That's good. That is why we want us to remember. Now,
Jarida to newspaper.
Majallatun.
Magazine.
هكذا.
Magazine, yeah.
Which other one? Another one. Majallatun. Which other one? So we have what is sigillu means?
Sigillu means register.
Where you sit.
Register. What about cardboard?
That is waraqun maqwiyun.
Barakallahu fikum. Waraqun maqwiyun. That is cardboard. Waraqun maqwiyun. What about dictionary? Dictionary.
Jaridatu.
Qamis.
Naam.
Dictionary is qamis, right?
Qamus. Qamus. Then another word for dictionary, aside from qamus. Ma'ajim is the plural. Ma'ajim is the plural. Mu'jamun is the singular. Mu'jamun. Yes. What about page? Page. Yes.
The Safhatun.
Safhatun mean page. Safhatun mean page. What about line?
Saturun.
Saturu means line. Saturu means line. Then what about blade? Razor blade.
Razor blade. The Shafratun.
Shafratun. Barakallahu fi. Shafratun. Shafratun, razor blade. What about computer?
Computer. Muhammalu.
Mahmul. You call it mahmul. Mahmul or hasub. Or you call it hasub or mahmul. Then we have arashif. What is arashif?
Arashif. Is it archive?
Archive. Barakallahu fi. What about envelope?
Envelope. Zarfun.
Zarfun. Zarfun means envelope. Then what about sellotape?
Sellotape.
Yes. What is sellotape? Hasub, computer. Hasub is computer.
Hasub is
sellotape. Lasik.
Lasik
cotton. Hakada. Lasik cotton is sellotape. Then what about receipt?
Receipt.
Yes. Faturatun. What about what about jihaz? What is jihaz?
Jihaz, I think it's something as computer, right? System.
Computer or system is jihaz. What about file?
File.
Yes.
File.
File. Malafun. Yes. Malafun. Hakada. Then what about? I think that is over. Barakallahu fikum. Then we have some activities which are done in the school, like ijtima'un. What is ijtima'un? Meeting or assembly. Ijtima'un means meeting. Then we have imtihan. What is imtihan? Examination. Then fushatun.
Okay, test.
Break.
That's fushatun, right?
Break. What about istirahatun?
Resting time.
Resting. What about dawam?
Closing.
What about utula? Utulatun.
Vacation or holiday.
Vacation. Okay. What about Fatiratun?
Fatiratun. That is
yes.
Semester or term.
A semester or term. Barakallahu fiik. What about Hissa?
Hissatun.
Period. Hissatun. Period. What about Amun Dirasiyun? Amun Dirasiyun.
Academic year.
Academic year. Then what about Tadris?
Tadris is teaching.
Tadris teaching. What about Dars? Darsun.
Lesson.
Lesson. What about Mudarasatun? Mudarasatun.
Is that group learning or group study?
Group learning, yes. What about Najahun? Najahun.
That's success. To pass.
Success. What about Rusub?
That's opposite
of success, failure. What about Wajibun Manziliyun? Wajibun Manziliyun.
That's home assignment.
نعم home assignment. نعم هكذا وهذه هي ما لازم أن نراجعه من هذا. بارك الله فيكم. So these are some of what we have done. There are others which are not here, and in the school, regarding the school, we still have 2 more videos. But this weekend, inshallah, maybe we are going to look at those 2 videos. The one has to do with subjects in the class. So, and that is what we are going to see briefly in this class. Subjects in the school. So we have Al-Mawadu fil Madrasa. Al-Mawadu fil Madrasa. Al-Mawad is the plural of Madatun. So when we say Madatun, it means subjects. Madatun means subjects. Subject, that is Madatun. It means subject. Then the dua, that is when we are talking about 2, we say Madatan. We say Madatan. Madatan. Then the next one, after Madatan, is Mawad. Mawad is the plural. Mawad is the plural, which means subjects. So, أول مادة ندرسها في الفصل هو العربية. العربية. So the first thing we have on the board is عربية, which means Arabic. It means Arabic. عربية. It means Arabic. Afwan.
Is there a way we can zoom the board a little bit?
I will do that.
I think you can zoom it yourself on your own. You can zoom the.
Oh, okay. I got it. Okay, thank you. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true.
So I hope you can see it now.
Now,
the first one is Arabiyatun. Let's say it.
Arabiyatun.
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 So we say al-lughatu.
Al-lughatu.
Not al-lugh. That lam is having dhamma. That lam is having dhamma. So we say lugha. Lugha, not lugha. Fahimtum? We say lugha. Lughatu. Lughatu. Fahimtum? Al-lughatu al-arabiyya. Not al-lugha. It is a common mistake to say al-lugh. Fahimtum? Al-lughatu al-arabiyyatu. Fahimtum?
Al-lugha.
Then indana Injiliziyatun. Say that.
Injiliziyatun.
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 Al-lughatul injiliziyatu.
Al-lughatul injiliziyatun.
Al-lughatul injiliziyatun.
Al-lughatul injiliziyatun.
Then we have ulum. We know Injilisiya to be English language. Then we have ulum. What is the meaning of ulum? Ulum is the jamu'u of ilmu. Fahimtum? Ilmu means knowledge. Ulum means knowledge. That is the plural. So we say sciences. We say sciences. Al-ulum. So when it is referred to as al-ulum, it means sciences. Then geographiya. Say it.
Geographiya.
That is geography. Then we have hasub. They can say ilmul hasub. It means, you know that ilmu means science. So when we say ilmul hasub, it means computer science. Fahimtum? It means computer science. So when we want to say computer engineering, we say handasatul hasub. Handasatul hasub. That is computer engineering. Handasatul hasub, computer engineering. Then we also have hisab. Al-hisab means accountancy. Accountancy is called al-hisab or al-hisabat. Al-hisabat. Al-hisabat is the plural of hisab. So accounting means hisab. Then we have falasifa. We have falasifa, which means philosophy. Falasifa. Ilmul falasifa. So falasifa means philosophy. It means philosophy. Fahimtum? There indana maharatun. When we say mahara, it means skill. Mahara can mean skill. It can also mean art. A-R-T, art. It can mean art. So maharatul ittisal. Maharatul ittisal bil-lughati al-arabiyya. The skill of speaking Arabic language. Maharatu al-ittisal bil-lughati al-arabiyya. The communication skill of Arabic. Our Arabic communication skill. We call it Maharatu al-ittisal bil-lughati al-arabiyya. Arabic conversation skill. Maharatu means skill. It also means act. Then we have kimiya'u. Let's say it.
Kimiya'u.
It means chemistry. Then we have tibbu. Let's say it.
Tibbu.
So in one of our classes, we have mentioned the difference between tibbu and tibu. Tibu without shadda. Tibbu means medicine, while tibu means perfume. The one without shadda means perfume. The one with shadda means medical. So we say tibbu. That is why we say kuliya to tib. The college of medicine. So tibbu atibbu nabawi, prophetic medicine. Then we have Islamiyat. Islamiyat means Islamic sciences. Fahimtum? Islamic studies. Then we have Handasatu. That is engineering. Handasatu, engineering. Then Riyadiyatun. That is mathematics. Riyadiyatun. Then we have Nahwun. Nahwun is Arabic grammar. So when we say Nahwu, al-Nahwu al-Arabi, the Arabic grammar. Al-Nahwu al-Injilisi, the English grammar. Fahimtum? Then we have Sarfun. Sarfun is an abridge or is part of Nahwu. So sometimes when we talk about Nahwu, we have to talk about Sarfu under it. But sometimes they are both different things, to refer to different things. Formerly, Sarfu was part and parcel of Nahwu. So when the early scholars mention Nahwu, they refer to everything. But later, because of the peculiarity of sarfu, the scholar decided that they should make it madatun mustaqillatun. Let's say madatun mustaqillatun.
Madatu mustaqillatun.
The meaning of mustaqillatun is independent. It means an independent subject. They made it an independent subject. So it is called syntax. So then we have adab. Adab means etiquette. So when people refer to adab generally, it means manner, good moral etiquette. But in language, when we say adab, we mean literature. We mean literature. Ala adabul arabi, the Arabic literature. Al adabu al injilisi, the English literature. Then the next one we have is ilmu siyasiyya. Ilmu as-siyasa. As-siyasa to mean politics. So when we now say ilmu siyasa, it means political science. Political science, ilmu siyasa. Then we have ulumul iqtisad. Ulumul iqtisad. Al-iqtisad is economy. The study of economics is al-iqtisad. So when we say ulumul iqtisad, we mean the sciences of economy. Then ilmul adyan. Ilmul adyan. Can someone tell us the meaning of adyan? Adyan.
Adyan.
Yes.
Al-Adyan.
So adyan is the plural of deen. Is the plural of deen. Fahimtum? The plural for deen is adyan. Do you understand? The plural for deen is adyan. So they now say ilmul adyan. It means knowledge about religious. What does that mean? It means ad-dirasatu al-muqaranatu. It means comparative study. It means comparative study. Then we have al-kitabatu. Al-kitabatu means writing. So writing can be a skill. It can be a subject that is taught and learned in the school depending upon the level of the student. So these are some of the things that are very important. We have Arabiyyatun, Injilisiyatun, Ulumun, Jughrafiyatun, Hasub, Hisab, Falasifa, Maharatun, Kimiyya, Tibbu, Islamiyat, Handasatu, Riyadiyya, Nahwu, Sarfu, Adabu, Ilmu Siyasa, Ulumul Iqtisad, Ilmul Adyan, then Al-Kitabatu. So these are some of the subjects that we study in the school. So inshallah, for some reasons, we are going to call it a day now. By tomorrow, we are going to start as early as 5 as usual, and we are going to end by 6 o'clock. So barakallahu fikum. I will implore you to go and revise those previous classes that we have learned, because, we want to build a class upon the previous class. So when we forget the previous class, it will not assist us to go very further in the new classes. So I pray to Allah subhanahu to grant each and every one of us success. I hope I'm permitted to call it a day for today. And tomorrow we are going to welcome our questions and the likes. Barakallahu fikum.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you so much. Let us make